Grace is gonna sled down the mountain. Oh no, she's gonna snowboard.
Holy shit.
Go! It's so cold. There's a car! There's a car! Hey, Mama William!
Take this baby out with you.
Okay.
Cool, Tim.
Did you see her?
Put a coat on? No, I missed it.
Oh.
I saw the fall part though.
Should you put, is he ready?
Yeah.
He's